Hi, and welcome back to another episode of Uniting Our Community. I'm Mackenzie Garrett, and I am sitting here with David, who's from ExxonMobil. You're the plant manager. Can you tell us a little bit more about your corporation?
Sure, yeah. So I'm with ExxonMobil. It's the lubricant plant in Paulsboro, New Jersey. So we've partnered with United Way as a company for over 70 years, and our plant's been in Paulsboro for over 30 years, and we've participated in the United Way campaign for over 30 years.
Interesting. That's a long time.
Yes.
And how long have you been with them?
I've been with ExxonMobil for 27 years, started at the plant in Paulsboro, and have participated each of those years as well.
Wow. And you guys heavily support the United Way through workplace campaign, correct?
Correct. Yeah, so the campaign starts in typically August. We have the United Way kickoff, the event. We're one of the sponsors for the kickoff, so we have a really good turnout from our workplace with folks that attend the kickoff. It's a really great event where families get together. We have some fun and games as well. It really starts to kind of maybe inspire and motivate the folks for the actual kickoff that's going to be proceeding over the next couple months. And then as far as the workplace kickoff, we will have several crews that are going to be participating in the kickoff. We'll at the United Way attend these sessions. We typically have somebody from one of the partner agencies as well that presents at the kickoff. And it's really an opportunity for our 130 plus employees to participate in, hopefully pledge to the United Way.
Good. So you guys are sort of catering to your employees to engage with them a little bit more, and that helps them understand the workplace campaign more? Or why do you guys have this kickoff?
I think the kickoff really is a good opportunity to see what the needs are in the community. Again, we'll have one of the partner agencies have somebody that presents, so it gives us that tangible viewpoint of some of the needs that are out there in the community.
So workplace campaigns can vary. Some of them can be a month, some of them can be a year. Can you go more in depth about how long yours is, what it's about?
So after the, we'll call it the initial campaign, we also have other activities that occur throughout the year. One of the big things that we take a lot of pride in is Day of Caring events. Okay. And each year we'll have a team that comes up with a event for us to volunteer and participate at one of the local facilities. Last year we participated at the Boys and Girls Club, the year before at Hollydale, and we've also participated at the Food Bank of South Jersey as well.
So is there any benefit to your company personally from doing workplace campaigns?
I would say it is really an expectation for us to be a community partner. I think it's great from a team building perspective, but also when we look at our core values as a company, care, just caring for the community, integrity. We're working with an agency, the United Way, who is trusted and has accountability. Excellence, we strive for excellence in the workplace, but also in our community to help and support the needs of our community. And then lastly, resilience. The whole goal of us contributing is to hopefully support folks that are in need and help them be resilient and overcome some of those needs.
You're definitely living up to your core values.
We're definitely trying.
So last question, why did you choose the United Way to work with?
It's been an organization that we've worked with for many years. And again, it's a trusted organization, accountable organization. I'm part of the board. I work with the folks in the United Way and just have a lot of passion, pride, gratitude for everything that we do. And I think it's just really inspiring for us to be in a position where we can support the local needs of the community.
So you had passion and pride to start working with United Way. Do you feel like working with them helps grow that even?
I think it does. I think it's contagious and grows it even further.
Well, thank you, David, for being here. You provided some great, insightful information.
Great. Thank you so much. And it's been a privilege to be here and really excited for us to be part of this campaign.
Stay tuned for the next episode of Uniting Our Community.